Darbar movie summary in English. Let's begin. Mumbai Police Commissioner Aditya Arunachalam kills gangsters in the city in police encounters. His behavior received widespread condemnation, and the National Human Rights Commission of India decided to act against him. One of the panelists on the commission, a former friend of Aditya, discovers the murder of his daughter Valli sparked his killing spree. Past, a minister assigns Aditya to Mumbai as the new commissioner to curb the rampant drug trafficking and prostitution in the city. Upon arriving in Mumbai, he rescues 3 kidnapped women, one of whom is the daughter of the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Sensing an opportunity, Aditya uses the kidnapped women as an excuse to initiate a campaign against the city's drug trafficking and prostitution rings. His efforts are highly successful. The police arrest numerous drug dealers and child traffickers. Among the arrested is Ajay Malhotra, the son of influential industrialist Vinod Malhotra, who attempts to bail out Ajay, but Aditya refuses bail. Aditya, seeking Ajay's testimony on his involvement in drug smuggling, visits him in prison and discovers a proxy in his place. He asks the state and central governments to investigate and discovers the officials assigned to Ajay's case work for Vinod. Through a covert investigation, Aditya learns Ajay is hiding in Bangkok and has the Royal Thai Police arrest him on passport fraud charges. Corrupt diplomats on Vinod's payroll falsely declare Ajay imprisoned in India, which leads to his release from Thai custody. Undeterred, Aditya returns to India and has Ajay's proxy killed with the excuse of self-defense and announces that they will display Ajay's corpse to the media. Vinod's accomplices, cornered and with no other options, turn against him. To save themselves, they have Ajay secretly returned to India and killed. At Ajay's wake, however, it is revealed Ajay is not Vinod's son but that of feared mafia boss Hariharan Hari Chopra, who is responsible for the massacre of 57 policemen in Mumbai. While in London, Hari learns of Ajay's murder. Vowing revenge, he secretly enters India via the Bangladesh-India border. Fearing for his life, Vinod contacts Aditya's daughter, Valli, and warns her that Aditya is in danger. Hari later stabs Vinod for his inability to protect Ajay, targets Aditya and Valli, and arranges a gruesome car accident. Aditya survives the attack, but Valli is diagnosed with a subdural hematoma, and her doctor tells her she has only 2 hours to live. Valli records a video for Aditya and dies. In his grief over her death, Aditya turns violent. Believing Vinod to be responsible for the car accident, Aditya barges into his residence but learns of his murder. Enraged and confused, Aditya sets out to discover the truth behind Valli's death and kills numerous gangsters in the process. Present, Hari's goons ambush Aditya and his subordinates. Although they survive the attack, they suspend Aditya for his rash behavior. About to give up, he discovers Valli's video, in which he reveals Vinod's earlier warning and encourages Aditya to persevere with his investigation. Emboldened by the footage, Aditya gets reinstated by the police by proving his physical and mental stability. He then traces Ajay's true biological origins to Hari. Attempting to evade Aditya, Hari organizes the murders of numerous police officers. Undeterred, Aditya traces Hari's location to an old office building of Mumbai Media, that media tycoon Pramod Gupta owns, who is one of Hari's associates. With the help of the police, Aditya launches a raid on the complex. He kills Hari's goons and captures Gupta but fails to capture Hari. Hari retreats to the site of his earlier massacre and lures Aditya by holding the families of the murdered police officers hostage at gunpoint. Aditya fights with Hari and wins. Hari attempts to shoot Aditya, but he throws a knife at Hari's neck then stabs Hari repeatedly to death. As Aditya walks out of the police station, a young boy dressed in a police uniform looks at him and salutes with a smile. Aditya returns the smile and salute.